Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. Beautiful morning this morning, guys. And yes, I am in the city of Edmonton, and I will be here for another couple days at least. So while I'm here, I'm staying at this Airbnb. This is the side of the city that I've never stayed before actually. First time coming to this side of Edmonton. So I decided I'm gonna take you guys on a little walk to show you guys what my current Edmonton neighborhood look like. So of course guys, I'm not living in Edmonton, but this is where I'm going to be staying for the next couple nights. So I wanted to show you guys, right? So this is located on the southwest part of the city, and it's kind of like a bit on the outskirts. It took us a while to get here, but it's kind of really nice. Kind of low-key, kind of very quiet. So I wanted to show you guys. All right, so let's come along on this walking tour of southwest Edmonton. Most of the houses, what I realize, they have a detached garage, but some does have the garage attached to the homes. Like the ones on my left, the garage is attached, but the ones on my right, these are all detached. So we've been in Edmonton now for almost 24 hours, but it was raining yesterday. Weather was not very favorable for videoing, so we decided to just relax. So today is our first day out and about. This is sold. Some of the building. See, this is something that we don't see a lot of in Grand Prairie. Like, you do have it, but on the outskirts, kind of just similar to here. But you don't see a lot of like somebody just buying a land and building their house. Now, houses are built, but they're usually built by contractors and then sold. You don't really find people buying a lot and then building their own home. It might happen, but from my personal experience, that's not something that I see a whole lot of. Nice green space. Let's go and take a look at that monument. I have no idea what that monument is. I almost walked out into the road. Hello. It's a beautiful dog. Yes. Is it a he or she?
Rocky's male.
Male. Hi, Rocky. Have a good day. I like how quiet it is, kind of outside of the hustle and the bustle. It's a little bit windy, so of course it's a little bit chilly. See what's going on here. If you're watching this and you're from Edmonton, or if you live on the southwest side, drop a comment and let me know what this monument is for. Okay? Man, this is peace. So if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Dems. I'm a Jamaican who migrated to Canada a couple years now, coming up on 5 years, and I live in the beautiful city of Grand Prairie, which is considered rural, but it is a city, not as big as Edmonton though. Population over and around 70,000 people, compared to Edmonton that has over 1 million people. So put that into context. Here's another new build going on. Yeah, the houses, most of the houses that I see here are more townhouses. They are just for a single family, not massive. Danger, open excavator. Yeah. What do you guys think about these houses? Yeah, this street is very narrow. And it's surrounded with cars, vehicles. Seems like it's gonna be a good day. Sky is blue. Not much rain or snow clouds, if any at all. So today should be a good day. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. En route to 13,000 subscribers. Can't do it without you guys. We're almost 550 away. So bring us a little closer to that goal by just hitting that subscribe button. It really help us out, help out our channel. And also give us a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, let us know as usual. And we always try our best to be as authentic and real as possible. No filter, no edits. Let's go on the sidewalk. Probably a good idea. Home for sale. So this house, it seems like there's an open house on it. There's a open house viewing on it. Please be advised. Changing key. Yeah, there seems to be an open house on it, so we'll probably come and take a view and show you guys what inside looks like. Seems to be a pretty common thing here in Edmonton, where they give you the code to unlock and then you can go and look at it. Like for example, look at this one. Access a code to unlock door. Tour this home now. Right? Self-guided tours. That's crazy. We're definitely gonna come back and look at this house, guys. This is what it looks like on the outside. My time self-guided tours. Probably a bit later on today. Welcome to Brooksfield Residence. This home is not available for rent. If you had a tour scheduled for the purpose of renting this home, please contact us immediately. Access a code. That's crazy. I've never seen that in Grand Prairie, actually. I'm not sure if it's something that is possible or if it happens there, but I've never seen it where you can just get a code and go and view it yourself without a realtor or without it being an open house. Across the street. Good day to go for a walk. This is Chapel Gardens. Your show home experience starts here. Presentation Center. I'm like, what am I saying? There's a whole lot of homes for sale on this block though. Yeah, I kind of like this design. The design kind of looks nice. So peaceful, so quiet. Oh, again, Grand Prairie, we need more of this. We need to see more of this, Grand Prairie. More buildings going up, more houses being built. We need to see more of that. Guys, I have no idea where I'm walking to. I don't even know where I'm at. I'm just walking. I'm just walking, guys. Okay, so now it kind of seems like I'm walking in circles. So tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pause the video right here and then pick up back when I get my bearings correct, okay? Yes, guys. I was able to figure it out a little bit because it felt like I was walking in circles. Nice. Nice walking trail. Pond. Beachfront properties. I cannot get past how serene and beautiful this side of Edmonton is. Another new development, or new building being built, house being built, something being built. I love to see these things. Quite a few ducks in the water. What do you guys think about this neighborhood so far? Drop in the comment section and let me know. If you're in Edmonton and you've lived or you live in this neighborhood, how is it? What is it like? Let's go this way. So windy. Yeah, let's go this way. So as you can see, the road has basically came to an end right there. So there's nothing much to see right there. And if I go that way, all I'll be doing is showing you guys more of the same houses. It's a nice little gazebo though. Is that what it's called, guys? A gazebo? We got a missing person. Oh, it's a missing animal. So missing cat, guys. Missing cat. So there you have it, guys. Tour of my Edmonton neighborhood. Don't forget to smash a like on this video. If you're still here, give us a subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel. And most importantly, let yourself be known in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. And I really appreciate you taking the time out to not only watch this video, but also the other videos on my channel. Thank you so much. And you guys have a fantastic day.